I-hold.
Hi!
Ngayong gabi guys.
Ngayong gabi.
Graduate na ako guys.
Yeah, graduate na.
Ay, send na. Send na.
Guys. Okay. Thank you about that. No, thank you about that. Yay! Kiss me.
Ano na? Simple.
Why you kiss me like this? Huh? Bragging to you. I'm sorry about that. Oh, I'm a scary Larry. You want to be my best friend? You don't want to. But I'm possible now because I did drink potion, you know? No, I'm back.
Happy birthday to
Because I'm a dog. What is... There's a birthday? Wait, what? There's a birthday to me? There's a birthday! I said! Yay! Oh, thank you. I'm a cat. Hi. But there's a picture in my birthday. Oh, please picture me. Okay. Oh, thanks. What is that? Oh, it's me. Oh, that's cool. That's beautiful by me. I've never seen a crying begin, but I'm so happy that you're with me. I'm a person, but I'm scared of monsters. What is that? What is that? Who's lagging me? No, I'm gonna lag. No, I'm gonna lag to myself. I'm just... No, there's matter. Hi, friends.
Go.
I'm a Sonic. I'm Super Sonic. But I'm Gold Sonic. Hi. Now I'm a Pink Sonic. Because I'm beautiful than you. Because I'm actually Sonic. Hi, I'm a Sonic. I'm a Blue Sonic. Now I'm a Yellow Sonic. Hi. But I'm actually rather than you. I'm so cute than you before. I got a mascara. I just made it for myself because it's shiny there. Now, hi. My name is Katelyn. This is real Katelyn. I got eyelashes because I just grew up. Bye. See you later. I'm 5 years old.